Good morning, team. Today is December 28th. Merry Christmas, happy holidays. Looking at the overall economical calendar, you can see we have pending home sales index information coming out today at 10 a.m. Eastern. Tomorrow we have initial jobless claims, and Friday we have PMI for Chicago. So definitely want to pay attention to what's going on to see if any Fed speakers or what's going to happen to the overall market. But check out Market Watch on the the economical calendar. First stock on the watch list, to be honest, this is kind of a weird one, right? So if you're watching the news, I know you guys are seeing the slowdowns or basically the halts in flights. So definitely want to pay attention to see what's going on with Southwest Airlines because they're one of the number one airline companies that's basically halting flights and stuff like that, and they're losing tons of money. And it's to the point where they have to even refund a lot of these customers and stuff like that. So this is a very big deal. As you can see, the stock is oversold. So don't know what's going to happen too much at the morning. It may actually look for a bounce. Anything that's oversold is a high risk short position. So definitely want to stay clear for that. But overall, if it does get a bounce and it rejects the 180-day EMA and comes back down, that could be a leverage for you to possibly look on on the smaller charts to get in for a short position. Let's check the 20-day over here. 20 days oversold as well. Once it starts to break 33.65, it could possibly go up. I don't even know if this thing is optionable, so definitely want to check this out for you guys. But keep this on your watch. You never know. It could be a good one. So next stock we're going to throw on the watch list is actually Apple. It's one of the trending stocks this morning. Looking at Apple on the 180-day 4-hour, you can see Apple has been dropping just like everything else. It's finding some type of support around this 28.30 level over here. If it does start to basically break out to the upside, you want to watch for the break of 130 and 80 cents, and then we could start pushing up towards 134 to the upside. If it starts to reject the EMA on the 4-hour, we could break 128 and start basically going down towards 127, 125, and lower. This is the lowest it's been within not only on the 180-day, but on the 1 year as well. So make sure you guys keep Apple on the watch. 20-day looks like it wants to cross over. RSI is oversold, especially after everything's been dropping. You're going to see that's going to be a reoccurring trend today where we're seeing a lot of oversold RSI. So next stock we're going to talk about is the big bad wolf Tesla. Looking at Tesla over here, you can see Tesla's oversold, but Tesla has been one of our main watches this month, right? We've been calling out Tesla for a while. Ever since Tesla, if we jump over towards the 1 year, we've been calling out Tesla for a possible reject. And this is why it is very important to know how to read charts. We've been calling out Tesla for a drop ever since it started to break through these 303 levels. You can see that the RSI was basically getting overbought. MACD wanted to cross down, and this SMA, once you stay above it, that's bullish, right? But she kind of triple topped over here, broke that SMA. MACD has crossed down and has been on a downward trend, as you guys can see overall for the basically for Tesla over here. So definitely want to keep on watch. MACD is still crossed down. We are fading so far into the RSI. It is crazy. So jumping over towards let's go towards the 3 year over here, right? So 3 year chart, you can see we broke the 3 year SMA as well. On the downside, RSI is getting oversold as well. But the next key level on Tesla, I know it's at 110 right now, but the next key level where it started to break out from these basically 82 levels and run up towards those 400 levels, it was basically that $80 level over here, the 84. So Tesla could possibly break down and hit 84 in the long run. Or on the short term, let's go to the 180-day. 180 days oversold. MACD has not crossed over yet, but it can possibly cross over. So keep that in mind. You want to watch to see if we reject or break this 114 level, right? As soon as we start to hold 114 and even start to get above 116, we could start possibly go up a lot higher than that. So definitely watch out for that. Watch out to see if we break 114 to 120, and then watch out for 109 to 110, right? Last but not least, we're going to talk about SPY, and that's going to be it. We want to watch to see if we break 382 to the upside to 385, or 380 down towards 378. That's going to be it. Make sure you guys leave a like and comment on the video and tell me what stock you guys are watching. Peace.